you have a pair of Pixel Buds Pro, Soundpeats True Air 3, essentially any truly wireless headphones, you guys got to be cleaning them. Not cleaning your truly wireless headphones is going to go ahead and actually shorten the lifespan as well as some of the components on your headphones. Now today I'm going to show you guys how I clean some of my headphones. We're going to talk a little bit about this overall process, and let's just kind of get into it. You're going to want to start with some isopropyl alcohol. This is 90%. The higher percentage alcohol, the better that you can find. You're going to want to use rubbing alcohol for this because it's going to break down the oils that have accumulated on your electronics without potentially harming any of the electrical components. So I have a piece of tissue. You guys can use microfiber, anything you want. And the first thing that we're going to clean is the case. Now, I don't do any actual wired charging with my Pixel Buds. If I did, I would probably get a damp Q-tip and just try to clean out around this area, or take a plastic little pry tool and just go in there, because oftentimes lint can get stuck up. You definitely don't want to use metal to clean the charging ports, as that can damage it. But once we have the case open, you're going to go ahead and take a look. Let's see if we can get this. I'm filming this on my Pixel. Now, all of that discoloration that you guys can see, that's a buildup of essentially your oil, your body, oils, dead skin, etc. And just to kind of get a broad cleaning of it, we're going to go ahead, dip our isopropyl alcohol, or dip our tissue into some isopropyl alcohol, shove it in here. And you want to make sure that you're not actually trying to put any force against these pins, because those are your charging connectors. But go ahead and clean this out as well as possible. And even then, I can tell that it's still got a ton of oil and grime in here. Maybe you guys can see, focus. Okay, if we have any extra lint that we have left over from using tissue, we can go ahead and use a microfiber to go ahead and clean that up. Ew. Now this is all dead skin and body oil, and this is absolutely disgusting. Now, as I mentioned, you might want to use a microfiber. Now, it's really important that if you're using microfibers to clean your stuff, clean your electronics, clean the screen of your electronics, that you're not using them on your glasses. In fact, I rarely ever use microfiber cloths on my lenses or any of my glasses in general. I always use single-use tissues because oftentimes these will trap dirt that scratches the lenses. That said, I also try to wash my microfiber cloths once a month. I have a whole bunch of these I got on Amazon. I'll have a link for it down below. But these are great still for cleaning electronics, especially if you don't want to get lint or dust trapped in it. And after we've gone through this with some rubbing alcohol, we'll get any excess lint. And let's see if I can show you guys. It's cleaner, but I want to get these things like new. So let's get some more rubbing alcohol. Okay, now that our case is clean, now we got to clean the actual headphones themselves. And this is definitely one of the things that you guys have to do. These are going to be disgusting. Let's see if I can get you guys a better look at them. So just like the case, let's go ahead and let's take our tissue with some isopropyl and clean off all of that dead skin and all of that old body oil. Now, if you guys have an issue with your headphones, with the silicone tips coming off of the ear tips, that's probably because you have body oil, stuck around the lip of your headphone, and it's causing the rubber not to make the best connection, and thus your ear tips are falling off your headphones. Let's go ahead. Now, this is the actual part that goes inside your ear. Let's get some rubbing alcohol. This is the part that can get really, really gummed up. That said, it's worth noticing that you might have a pair of headphones that have a lower quality rubber for the ear tip, and this might end up actually eating through that rubber faster. I have never cleaned my Pixel Buds. I've had them for about a month at this point, and I wanted to go ahead and give them kind of their first cleaning to take care of them. And here's our first little ear tip. Let's focus up on that. Not bad. We have a little bit of writing. That's what that white spot is. And I know this isn't really going to show up. Maybe let's turn up the brightness a little bit more. But here you guys can see this headphone looks brand new. Let's put it in the case. Now it falls right in the case. Before, when I would put them in, they would kind of slowly slide there. Now, perfect. Let's see if I can get you guys. Let's turn that down a little bit. Yeah, feels just like new. Now, if you have AirPod style headphones like the Soundpeats Air 3 or Air 3 Deluxe, Air 3 Deluxe HS, there's another little detail that you guys are going to want to make sure that you get. So again, for this, we're going to take the headphones out, rubbing alcohol, Q-tip, and let's go ahead, focus. Yep, that's disgusting. Now for a pair of headphones like the Soundpeats Air 3 Deluxe, because there's no rubber tip to hold on to all of your body oil, just go ahead, take your Q-tip, shove it down in there with a little bit of isopropyl, and just try to get the inside of this case as clean as possible. Let's take our microfiber, and we're going to finish cleaning this up. I want to just share with you guys, these are my gym headphones. These things have been used like crazy, beat to shit. They're cracked. But I've been taking care of them now for about 3.5 years. I try to clean them, being that they're my gym headphones, I try to clean them once every couple of months. And these headphones still operate fine. If you look at the metal charging connectors, you'll see that we have no corrosion whatsoever, which if you are using a pair of headphones specifically for the gym, you're really gonna have to pay attention to corrosion on those electrical contacts. And guys, just don't be a disgusting human being and clean your fucking headphones. I'm gonna clean these now. Peace.